Now we'll be going up the mountain on a hotel on top of a mountain. We're gonna show you how. It's gonna be nice. This guy again. There. These two. These three. Buying the tickets. We're going through. Go. This is the view. Okay, we're gonna go on a cable car for about, I don't know how many meters, but it's gonna be one of the longest. So, join me. We are through. There we go. Yo! What up, man? And there, our friends are in the next cable. This is not looking safe, is it? This ain't looking safe. God. This is one of the rarest hotels in the world, and it's going to be beyond that mountain. That'll be Tehran, the capital. This is going to be the mountain that we're going to reach. Now we're seeing something. Well, apparently I was wrong, and that's a stage 5, and on top of that mountain it's going to be stage 7 and the hotel. So we have some view over the city, but the windows are too dirty and I can't see. It's going to take another like 15 minutes to get up there. It's going to be nice. This is stopping every now and then. This is scary. We can hear the wind coming through these little doors. We got off the cable car. We had to switch for the 7th stage. These are different cable cars. Still dirty windows, but this is going to be a much shorter trip. I don't know, maybe another 10 minutes. But it's going to get cold eventually. Once we came up here, it was cold. Oh, it's cold. Oh, it's cold. Yeah. See, in the middle of the summer. Okay, I'm gonna put on my coat. There you know. Once we came up here it was minus 23, minus 27 something. It was cold. It was deadly cold. We're gonna go for another Telesiege, I don't know, something. Gonna go again. And then we have to go to the hotel. We have to get on one of these. And we have to go towards the hotel. You're definitely feeling something. You're okay, buddy. See. Yeah, hello. Okay. That was fun! Yay! It's fun! Hey! It's cold! It's cold! It's definitely cold! Ah! 3,600 meters. Hi, and we are here. You can see the hotel. And we're freezing, it's cold. We're gonna get off. So we're gonna run a medical check on us. I don't know if you can hear me or not. They're gonna run a medical test on us before we get the rooms. And if they allow me, I'm gonna show you. There's the hotel. Alana. We're going in. This is the medical situation. He's saying that they're giving us a bad room, very bad room. No, it's not gonna happen. Not sure if I'm allowed to film or not. Medical plan. We're waiting by the door for a medical thingy. We're gonna go in. Tested. We got a funny situation here. So in order to stay in a hotel, it's men and women, they have to show something. They have to show some papers that they're married. So these two forgot to bring their ID. They're not letting them in. And they're free helping me just hide. We're talking to see what I can do. This is nice. Look. Oh. It feels like very old and dingy. Oh shit. I got to a room and it's beautiful. I love this hotel. I'm gonna unpack. I'm gonna figure out how to turn on the lights and I'm going to show you the rest. But this is a nice hotel on top of a mountain. So let's just be there. I can't find a room. Their room. Their room is good. The room is good. It's like a suite. Okay. Happily married couple get the best rooms. And we got that dingy cave. Right. They got tea. They got nothing. Boy slept for a few hours. Let's go out and see what's happening. What are we facing? What are we up to? Alright, it's 9:30 here, and we have bumped into a little problem here. So you know, every time you hear the name Iran, it's kind of bounded with some restrictions, and the restrictions are, you know, they're setting the bar so high in here. We cannot go to each other's room. We just have to hang out in this common area that they have. And every time they'll come, they say something to us. It's not very nice. And we had a bit of argument with them. So outside is cold. It's kind of like very cold. It's like -1 or 2. But we go out, we have coffee, there's no light out, and they did not manage to build a very good atmosphere here. But the hotel is nice itself, you know. It's kind of like relaxing. If you want to come alone, you can, and it's gonna be nice. Yeah, it's kind of like fun. So I don't know what's the plan for the rest of the night, but we're gonna have dinner eventually. Right, we won! We sneaked into each other's room and we surpassed the security guy. Oh. This is good. Night. There's nothing visible outside. It's absolute darkness. It's the absolute darkness. It's been a hell of a night. It's around 4:30 in the morning and we stayed up. We played some games, we had some chats and it was good. It was great. Now I'm back in my room. I want to go to sleep. And tomorrow we're gonna go back to our homes. Well, with all the troubles we had with the security guy, but it was nice. We managed to get around him. It's morning and we have came out for a walk. Have a look around. There's nothing much around actually. And we're gonna go hoping to find something. See? I'm not wearing the best shoes. Uh-oh. Yeah. This is the lake and this here is the snow. We're that high. It's time to pack and leave. Let's go. Right, I had a little incident here. The metal just hit my head. That painful and shitted it. So we're on our way to go back. I'm not gonna film the whole process that we're going back, but look at the line. We did not came earlier because we're dumb. Okay, we're down. We're saying goodbye to our friends. And this is the end of another trip.
Our friends,
No.
are we friends?
We're friends. Hello, goodbye. Bye bye. No, we're going to go.
Hello.
Right.
Hello.